In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get the Peacock app on your Samsung TV. Let's go ahead and dive into this. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab the remote control and click the home button on it. I have a kind of a smart remote here, but just click the home button on your remote control to your Samsung TV, and then this will work on all your TVs that are around 2018 and above. But you're going to want to go all the way over here to the left on search where that magnifying glass is, and then click on that. Alright, next you're going to want to type in the word Peacock. Okay, right there, if you look at the top there, Peacock TV is all the way to the right under the apps, and just click up. And there's two different ways you can get to it. You can go right there to where the top results tab is, or you can go down here to where it says apps and then click on there. So we'll go ahead and click enter. And now it's loading the Peacock TV app. Okay, so here it takes you to the login screen. If you want to sign up, you can do that right here, or if you have the account, a Peacock TV account already, then you just click on the top right where it says sign in. But yeah, that's how you get the Peacock app on your Samsung TV. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.